This is Giovz Travel saying cheese.
Hello mga kacharat! For today's video, I'll be unboxing my new phone. I bought my new phone because there's something wrong with my audio and the audio of my previous phone. I mean my old phone. So today's vlog, I'll be unboxing this, and what's inside this is a cell phone. But what type of cell phone is this? I mean, I'll show you, and we will be unboxing this, and just bear with me and just enjoy the video, and I hope you guys will be happy in seeing with me while unboxing this cell phone of mine. And for to those people who didn't subscribe my channel, just subscribe my channel and click the notification bell for more updates. And this is it. I bought this cell phone in Carrefour, one of the sikat dito na store in UAE. Ito na guys, I bought Galaxy A32, Samsung Galaxy A32, and it is made in Vietnam. Model is SMA32 5F/DS type mobile. So I got the capacity is 128 GB. Awesome black look. So this is it. We will be unboxing this one. What's inside this one? So let's go, guys. Oh my god. Wala akong kuko. Ba't ang tagal? Ayaw ata niya magpaano sa akin. Tagal niya, guys. Ano niyo? Sealed talaga siya. Tapos may 1 year warranty siya, guys. 1 year warranty siya. So, ba't ang tagal? Tagal niya, guys. Ang tagal niya mapunit. Ano ba talaga? Kumuha ako ng gunting kasi ang tagal niyang maano. Ang tagal talaga niya mapunit kasi wala akong kuko. So ito na lang. I think this so this is it. Sana naman napunit ko na siya, no? Kasi excited na ang lahat. Ito na, guys. Napunit ko na siya sa wakas. So, this is it. Tapos, saan ba? Oh, sealed siya, guys. Sealed. So, punitin ko na naman dito, no? And this one. Ano ba? Ibang bagay, punitin ko siya. Punit ko na siya. Dandan. ko na siya. Okay na. Tapos dito naman sa kabila. Okay. This one. So, dapat ko siyang i-cut. Ay. So, okay na. Na-cut ko na siya. This one. It's inside this box. Tingnan natin. Tadang! This is it. Ito yung itsura niya. Ito siya, guys. Oh. I got the mobile phone. Look. Samsung Galaxy A32. What's inside the box? I got the charger. This is the cord of the charger. And this one. And also for, I think this is for SIM card removal. And so I got this one, and this one. What's inside this one? Oh, I got a free cover, back cover. So this is the back cover, guys. So this is the cover. It's for free. So I need to slowly tear this up. Ito yung regalo ko sa sarili ko. I think ito na ang regalo ko sa sarili ko sa kita ko sa YouTube. Actually, ubos na yung kita ko sa YouTube. Ubos na. Then, so ito na siya, guys. Ilagay ko siya dito kasi para hindi siya mabasag. Parang may plastic pa ata siya sa gilid. Meron pa. Meron pa siyang plastic pala. May plastic pa. Ano ba? Ano ba, kuya? Okay. Okay na siya. Tapos, i-on natin, guys. Tingnan natin kung working ba siya. O yan. Working na siya, no? So I need to log in. This is powered by Android, guys. Samsung Galaxy is powered by Android. Sana maganda siya, guys, 'di ba? Medyo mahal-mahal din ang bili ko. Tagal. Starting Android. Yan. Start ko na. Ano to? Yes. I'm setting up my phone, new phone. Next na tayo. So, choose a Wi-Fi network. Oh my God. I-skip ko muna to, guys. Next muna. Mag-next muna tayo. Smart switch. Smart switch brings your data from your old device. Later na. Just a second. It's downloading. I'm setting my phone. Yes, allow scanning, install apps. Accept siya. May ano to siya pang ano. May siyang ka-echosan, guys. Smart account. So, this is it. So, I will setting up my phone later. So, skip ko muna kasi hindi ko alam yung ano. Finish. Tingnan natin kung ano. Ito yung tsura niya, guys. Yan. Ang una ko talagang phone is Android. So, ngayon bumalik ako, nag-iPhone ako, tapos bumalik ulit sa Android. Yan, mamaya ko na yan, iyan. Mamaya ko na yan. Marami pa akong gagawin nito to set up my phone. So, this is the quick start guide. If I have some question about my phone, so I just read this manual. Tingnan ko if may ano ba siya, charger. I mean, parang wala siyang ano, wala siyang libreng ano. Wala siyang libreng wala siyang libreng headphone, guys. Bakit kaya? Ito yung cartoon niya, guys. Oh, wala siyang libre. Hinahanap ko yung headphone. Wala siyang headphone ata. Dapat may headphone to eh. Dapat may headphone to. Pero ba't wala? Wala siyang headphone. So, wala siyang free headphone, guys. Bakit kaya? Dapat may free headphone to, diba? Lahat naman ata na phone may free headphone. Pero ito wala eh. I don't know why. Hindi ko alam kung bakit wala siyang free headphone. So, this is it, guys. Warranty card na bang nasa nito? This is the warranty for it niya. Wala talaga siyang libre na ano, headphone. Bakit kaya? So, mamaya ko na siya yan. So, ito na siya. Ito yung ano siya, guys. Ba't may headphone siya? So, bakit wala siyang headphone? So, this is it. Okay na siya. Wala na siya. So, this is Samsung A32. I-explore ko siya mamaya. So, nag-unboxing lang tayo. So, pwede kang mamili. Kasi, i-connect ko pa to sa Wi-Fi para maano ko to siya, So, this is it, guys. Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy our unboxing today. Again, this is Giovz Travels saying, God bless us all, guys. Bye.